Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best car carports that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is King Bird Heavy Duty RV Carport. King Bird Heavy Duty 13 by 20 feet recreational vehicle carport offers an outdoor storage solution for trucks, sport utility vehicles, or boats. Built with a tall frame reaching over 12 feet in height, this dark gray shelter creates room for larger vehicles, including those with roof racks. Its structure is formed with alloy steel and polyethylene, combining strength and flexibility for daily or seasonal use. The shelter is made with a high-peak roof shape, helping water and snow slide off easily to reduce buildup during rain or winter days. The steel framework uses galvanized material with a thickness of 38 by 0.8 millimeter, helping resist rust over time. Added support comes from 6 ground bars and 2 beams placed across the top area, helping it stay steady during wind or pressure. Each part of the frame uses full-length screws for extra support and a tighter hold. The cover material is reinforced polyethylene weighing 240 grams, helping keep the area underneath dry and safe. This surface is designed to block sunlight and hold strong against tearing during rough weather. Drivers or property owners may use this canopy in driveways, yards, or open fields. It offers room to store multiple types of vehicles while helping protect from daily elements such as sun, dust, or snow. With added size, strong joints, and reliable material, this King Bird shelter may be a suitable choice for people needing more height and solid protection for vehicle coverage outdoors. In our list, the number 2 product name is FDW Heavy Duty Galvanized Carport. FDW 10 by 20 feet Heavy Duty Galvanized Carport is designed to provide wide outdoor coverage for vehicles and other equipment. This white canopy tent is built using alloy steel and comes with a waterproof cover that helps in shielding against various elements. The open-sided layout allows air to move freely while still offering shade and shelter for parked cars, bicycles, or mopeds. The frame connects through steel joints, forming a stable shape. Its cover is made to fit slightly tighter than the frame, leaving a small gap on all sides which can help limit snow or water collection. Rather than using basic hook and loop material, this setup relies on elastic snap fasteners that hold the tarp firmly. This approach aims to maintain form while keeping the surface tension evenly spread across the frame. Included in the package are a metal support system, canopy fabric, cords, and an anchor kit. These parts help secure the structure on flat areas like concrete or asphalt. Additional ropes are provided for further support at the base of the legs. Whether needed for vehicle coverage or occasional events, the size and strength of this carport may serve multiple outdoor purposes. It may protect from falling leaves, dirt, or rain. The white color can reflect sunlight, helping to keep the shaded area cooler. This FDW car shelter provides an option for outdoor users needing space, weather resistance, and coverage all in one simple solution for everyday or temporary use. In our list, the number 3 product name is Gardesol Heavy Duty Car Carport. Gardesol Carport with 12 by 20 feet size offers a wide area for storing trucks, sport utility vehicles, or boats in outdoor spaces. This structure uses a powder-coated steel frame which adds strength while resisting rust and fading over time. Its overall shape is portable, making it suitable for different locations depending on use. The removable sidewalls and roll-up windows on each side improve air circulation and support interior dryness. This helps reduce moisture buildup, making the space feel more ventilated during extended use. It can also be adjusted for events such as outdoor gatherings or business fairs, depending on need. The 8 vertical legs use thick poles for a steady base. Elastic straps secure the top tarp while stakes and ropes provide extra ground grip. The connection points use a spring button system for quick and simple assembly. Each section includes visible markings for a guided setup process that does not demand extra tools. Its outer covering uses 180-gram material that blocks rain and sun exposure while offering full-year coverage. Whether shielding from falling leaves or heavy weather, the canopy keeps vehicles protected. Finished in gray, the shade blends with most surroundings. The design allows air to move freely through the mesh-covered openings while keeping larger debris and rain outside. Whether in use for cars or other functions, the Gardesol Carport offers a wide coverage area that supports both storage and shelter throughout changing seasons. In our list, the number 4 product name is VEVOR Replacement Canopy Cover Carport. VEVOR Carport Replacement Canopy Cover offers a large space suitable for changing worn-out tops and sidewalls on standard 10 by 20 feet garage frames. The fabric comes in a gray shade and includes both the upper cover and side panels. It does not come with any frame but fits structures of the same size. Its structure includes a 5-panel front with a double zipper setup, offering ample room and access flexibility. The material includes 2 different polyethylene layers. The top section uses 210-gram weight with a woven layout for added toughness, while the side layers feature 180-gram weight for flexibility. The fabric is built to resist pooling of water and support daily exposure to the outdoors. Each piece uses double-sealed seams and reinforced hook and loop tape areas for strong attachment and long service. Its surface coating includes protection from ultraviolet light and repels water effectively. With ultraviolet resistance of over ultraviolet 50+ rating, it maintains its strength through bright sunshine or light rain. Bungee cords and metal eyelets help keep it in place, while hook and loop closures ensure the fabric stays tight along the edges. There is a minor space allowance between the tarp edge and the outer frame to help improve fit and stability. This canopy is useful for covering parked vehicles, hosting small events, or creating shaded spaces. While it is not meant for curved structures, it fits traditional rectangular frames and adds protection and shade to a wide variety of outdoor uses. In our list, the number 5 product name is Advanced Feet Outdoor Portable Carport. Advanced Outdoor 6 by 8 feet outdoor portable storage shelter provides compact coverage for tools, motorcycles, or gardening machines. It is designed for outdoor use and arrives in a dark gray shade. This structure is built with a metal frame and covered using a durable triple-layer polyethylene fabric that supports daily exposure to changing weather. The cover includes gray material treated to resist water and sunlight, offering continuous performance through wet or bright days. Each end of the shelter contains a roll-up entrance, fitted with dual zippers. Both front and back panels can be opened, allowing easy movement and natural airflow. These doors include built-in vent spaces, helping reduce trapped air or unwanted moisture. With better air circulation, stored machines or other equipment are kept in better condition. Steel poles with a 1 1/2 inch diameter form the support base. The setup uses extra thick ground anchors shaped in an L pattern. These fasteners help keep the shelter in place on soft or firm ground. The structure comes with an easy connection system, using clearly labeled parts that do not require tools during setup. This shelter offers space for motorcycles, bicycles, or all-terrain vehicles. It also helps protect lawn gear, firewood, or small utility machines from wind, rain, dust, or snow. The full frame and fabric are supported with a 1-year limited coverage, with added replacement offered for smaller support parts like stakes or connectors. This compact outdoor structure helps shield important items from changing outdoor conditions. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.